introduce our star performer ZX intermittent offset printing machine to you all. As we all know, we launched this machine in the year of 2008. And till now, we already installed more than 3,500 sets worldwide. And more than 240 sets just installed right here in Europe. After 17 years past, the requirement for this machine is still ongoing and increasing. It's unbelievable and amazing, is it? What makes it so hard? Let me introduce this one by one to you. We all know offset machine delivers the best printing quality. It can go up to like 200 dpi or even more easily with 1% dot gain. And for the flexo machine, like our flexo, maybe you need 7 colors to do one job. And for the offset, you can simply trim in 4 colors, C and YK job. Imagine printing a masterpiece with just 4 PS plates. It's just like cooking a garment meal with fewer ingredients, but tasting way better. Who wouldn't want this kind of magic? Honestly, this machine has the lowest production cost in the printing world. It's just like a superhero for your budget. From one job to another, what you need to change is only the PS plate, the aluminum lightweightness ones. Let me show you where's the PS plate. Now, can you give me one PS plate? This is the only thing we are going to change for the offset machine. You don't need to change it for any kind of roller, only this PS plate. Do you know how much this kind of PS plate? Yes? It's less than €1, one piece. Means for C and YK job, it's less than €5, which is even cheaper than your daily latte. Is it very attractive? And the ink consumption for the offset machine also much less than flexo. For example, for the flexo machine, you may need 3 kilograms, and the offset you can get 2 kilograms is enough. With such low production cost, you can do any type of testing job for your clients. You show the results directed to your client instead of repeating of the profit. I think it's much more convincing. And because of the low production cost, like short runs like 1,000 labels, 5,000 labels, or even long runs like 100,000 labels or 1 million labels, you can do all in this machine. And as we can see from here, this machine is mainly for the sticker labels, self-adhesive label. You can do like the cosmetics labels, wine labels, electronic label, lubricant label, daily care label, and all kinds of sticker labels. Higher printing quality with even less cost. Isn't it very attractive? With our offset machine, you can get all kinds of functions like hot stamping, cold stamping, braille effect, flexo varnishing, lamination by cutting. What else? Like the machine we are showing here have almost all these kind of functions. Let me walk you through. Please follow with me. As we can see, in the beginning we have 2 offset in the beginning. This is mainly the customer need to do like the clear on clear. He wants to do 1 color white or 2 color white. Then following with this hot stamping. This is semi-rotary hot stamping, and it can have the ball saver, of course. Then following will be the 4 color to do the C and YK job. And we have the flexo varnishing unit. This flexo varnishing also the intermittent. It can do the spot varnishing and also can do the solid varnishing. Then we come with the flatbed spring. Let's come closer and we'll see how this flat spring works. This is very simple, like the spring frame is flat, and this post is quite low when compared with the rotary spring. But of course, with the spring on, the speed will be largely reduced. like the running speed like 20 to 25 meters. But for this kind of job, you can do everything in line in one process. Then we have the flatbed embossing unit. If you pay attention, now we are running with two different oil material paints. One is the gold color, another is the green color. And besides this, we also have the embossing in the right side. That means in one unit, we are doing the hot stamping and embossing at the same time. And this unit, the running speed is like a double speed of the offset. So this can run maximum like 300 RPM. Then we have the one die cutting unit, which is fixed magnetic roller. You don't need to change any magnetic roller, only change the flexible die. And if you found this machine, we have the two monitors here. Why is that two monitors? Because this machine is quite long. From the unwinder to rewinder, it's nearly like 20 meters. So we set another BST 5000 in the middle to monitor the first 6 colors offset unit. So we can do much faster and save a lot of material. And this one we will monitor from the end, in total. So we can see the varnishing, spraying, embossing, die cutting. And you can see the registration. Can you zoom a little bigger here? It's within 0.05. This is what the offset machine can deliver. You can get the best quality with the lowest production cost. Like this kind of configuration is perfect for the one label market. You can do everything in one process. You don't need to go to another converting and finishing machine and do beauty press. And now we already understand what this machine can do and what we can get. With this kind of machine, it's going to take a lot of time to set up and get a good result. I'd like to introduce our chef, Miss Mao Ruishi. Hey Mao, can you show us the job to change over? Please, nothing. I cannot wait for it. Firstly, he will take off the PS plate, this aluminum ones. This plate loading system is pneumatic. We call it semi-automatic. So as you can see, one operator can work together with the 4 units at the same time. And loading take 1 unit and install back, it will take maximum like 1 minute. That means for 4 colors jobs, the loading and the unloading, only 5 minutes. And again, let's come back to this PS plate. And this is aluminum, very light one. The thickness can be, this is 0.15 millimeter. Actually, you can go with 0.15 to 0.3. And we also have 2 punching holes on the plate. This is for, you can get from the CTP or you can get from offline punching machine. This to fix on the machine without moving during the production. And for our offset machine, the PS plate is size fixed. It's like from 320 by 408. Always this size. Doesn't matter your image is how big size. And the maximum repeat length for this machine is 350. And for our offset machine, one printing unit we have 23 ink rollers. Wow, a lot. And we have 4-piece ink rollers and also 4-piece oscillating rollers, which will ensure the machine, the ink flow will be very evenly and very smooth. For this machine, we have 2 type systems. One with the Rexroth Bosch from Germany. Another is Yaskawa from Japan. We suggest like this kind of complicated configuration with all functions on. You can go with Rexroth. And if you are doing very basic label like food label, daily care label, like pharmaceutical label, you can go with 5 color or 6 offset with 1 flexible varnishing. That with Yaskawa, and you can largely reduce the cost. Now already finishes the PS plate changing. Let's move to the touch screen area and he will run the machine and we will see how fast he can set the registration. Please follow me. We have to be a little patient because from the unwinder to the rewinder, it is really long, like 20 meters. So you cannot imagine like it's like a magic set immediately. We need to give him a little time to come back. And from the touch screen, we can do the verbal passing direction and the motor side and the operation side direction and even the skewing registration. Do it online without stopping the machine. And of course, for the offset machine, I think the most difficult thing is about the water and ink balance. This is every customer consider. How can I do it from the morning time and the lunch time, the color difference? Because the temperature, we have two solutions. One is we can install the ink remote control system, which has the job memory. So for example, today you are printing this job, and 1 month later you are printing the same job. You just come out from get from the computer and take it. And then also we can put the water chiller roller to the oscillating rollers to maintain the ink in the same temperature during the daily running. In this way, Mom told me it's done. Please check from here, because now we are only doing the 4 color stroke. Please zoom a little bit. I'm not sure how many times it will take, but I think the maximum will not exceed 10 minutes. And we will see the labels here. This now is just get from the printing, has a hot stamping. Here we can see the spring and the embossing. This here has the embossing. Then CMYK printing. You like it? We have many samples over here, and we also have the Zhejiang label, which is made from our Italian customer label it, and it's quite beautiful. You cannot miss it. Please get yourself to taste the Zhejiang and also touch the label. If you have interest, you can tell with our sales around here. We're happy to help. And in the meanwhile, in the exhibition, we are running our flexo printing machine and 2 digital printing machines. In the afternoon, please don't forget, at 3 p.m., I will come back to introduce our flexo machine, okay? Thank you. Bye.